The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Providence, Rhode Island. At 8:10 Eastern Standard Time, the National Weather Service had detected a severe thunderstorm. For your safety, go to the lowest floor if you have a 2-story home. Lightning might hit every 2 minutes, and thunder will be heard every 50 seconds. And there will also be heavy rain. The National Weather Service had issued an administrative message for Providence, Rhode Island. The thunderstorm had concluded, but there will be a little bit more rain. That will last for 10 minutes. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Providence Police Department. There are 5 creatures on the lookout. It's believed that they were summoned by lightning. It is currently unknown if they are harmful or unharmful. As a precaution, lock all your doors and windows, and cover your windows. Civil danger for the city of Providence. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Providence Police Department. Citizens of Providence, lock all your doors. Immediately, the creatures had brutally murdered people inside their home. If you see a creature, call 911 immediately. Do not approach the creatures, as you are putting your life in danger. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Providence Police Department. The creature situation had worsened. There are now 10 creatures, and they are still murdering people inside their homes. To shelter in place, close and lock all doors, lock all your windows, turn off air conditioning and heating systems. Turn off all the lights, seal all cracks on doors and windows with damp towels or tape, cover all your windows, go to the lowest floor, such as a basement. If you don't have a basement, go to a small closet in the central part of your house or building. Bring non-perishable food, water, a battery-powered radio, first aid kit, clothing, and other special needs for your stay at the shelter. Be silent, and always remain calm. We recommend you to stay awake during this night. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Providence Police Department. The creatures are now destroying buildings, burning down homes, and killing more people. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Bring non-perishable food, water, a battery-powered radio, clothing, a first aid kit, and other special needs. If you don't evacuate, you will face certain death. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station interrupted its regular programming. By the request of the White House, to participate in the emergency alert system, during this emergency, all stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WFXT, serving the Boston area. If you are not in this area, tune into broadcast stations. You are listening to the emergency alert system. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the White House. The creatures had placed a bomb in the city of Providence. Residents within a 500-mile radius of Providence should seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions. Long exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It will only take a minute for the effects of fallout to occur. Bring non-perishable food, water, a battery-powered radio, a first aid kit, clothing, and other special needs. For your stay at the fallout shelter, the president and his family had been taken to a fallout shelter. If you don't have a fallout shelter, go to a basement. If you don't have a basement, then go to a basement of a building or a small room. Do not evacuate. It is too late to evacuate. Do not leave your shelter. You will get exposed to fallout if you do. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The president will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by for a message. You are listening to the emergency alert system. This is WFTX, serving the Boston area. If you are not in this area, tune into broadcast stations. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the White House. The creatures had been killed during the explosion, and the fallout is all cleared. Residents are now allowed to leave their fallout shelter. It will take several years to reconstruct all the buildings that were destroyed. Here is a message by the President of the United States. Please stand by.
A message from the President of the United States.
Good evening, my fellow Americans. The last 14 days was a very devastating 2 weeks. I wonder why there would be terrible people out there, but as America, we will stay strong and we will fight back as Americans. Please pray for the people that lost their lives on this horrible event. God bless you and America.
That was a message from the President of the United States. You are listening to the emergency alert system.